I got everything roughly put together, but I so far have one problem. So this wheel will not fit in between these two forks. I'm guessing I'll have to edit this mount up here. Worst case scenario, I'll just find a different wheel that fits in between there, but I really want the front and back wheel to match. The Predator motor, I'll need to pull the fuel tank off, the muffler, and the little, what used to be an air filter or air box, which broke. And this motor still runs just fine. Just got the old gas tank off, and I think it looks sweet. Gas tank I'm going to be using for this is this old Suzuki 4-wheeler fuel tank. It's a little bit smaller, but it'll be just fine. It will fit in there if the center bar here was cut out and like maybe moved back and went down or something like that. Luckily there's space under here for that swing arm mount, but I think I'm going to need to cut it up higher and figure out what I'm going to do for a sport. What I might do is see how I can reinforce the outer part of the frame itself, because I'm most likely going to have to remove this bar right here. There's probably no way I'm going to get it to fit without that bar removed. For the exhaust of this, I'm just going to unbolt this and probably just roll a pipe just right out the back, and then put a threaded pipe on there so I can put a muffler kind of like what I have on my go-kart, which I don't have in here right now. I think that's going to wrap it for this video. Click down below if you want to watch more videos of me rebuilding junk and doing all that kind of stuff. One last thing is, this is actually an XL70 frame with a whole bunch of other XL70 parts I found in the ditch. And it's actually the exact same bike as this. So that original is this bike. I thought that was pretty cool.